Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve question number 13 of exercise 6.5. So what is question number 13? D and E are points on the sides CA and CB. So we have 2 points CA and CB. D are on CA and E on CB of a triangle ABC. So this is one triangle ABC, right angle at C. This is right angle triangle. Okay. Prove that. First we will write, given that angle C equals to 90 degree. Okay. And what we have to prove? Prove that AE square plus BD square equals to AB square plus DE square. Okay. So AE square, where is AE? AE is this. So AE square plus BD square means this square plus this square equals to AB square plus DE square, means DE also we have to match that. So AE square plus BD square equals to AB square plus DE square. Okay. So since we have to find out the square of a side, that means, and also this is right angle triangle, that means we have to follow Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So first we will calculate AE square. So where is AE? AE is there. See? So how to find AE? Means we have to choose this triangle. In triangle ACE. Correct? In triangle ACE, AE is the hypo. So we know hypo square. So in triangle ACE, we have to calculate AE square. So what is AE square? AE square equals to AC square plus EC square. Right? Now what is next? Next is BD. BD square we have to find out. Correct? So what is BD square? BD square equals to BC square plus CD square. Means in triangle BCD. Right? In triangle BCD we have to calculate BD square. So BD square equals to BC square plus CD square. Right? Now, what we have to calculate? AE square plus BT square. So AE square is here, BD square is here. That means we have to sum this and this equation. Right? So 1 plus 2. Or we can also write as adding equation 1 and 2. So what will be the LHS? LHS equals to AE square plus BD square. Right? Equals to what? What will be the RHS? RHS equals to AC square plus EC square plus BC square plus CD square. Right? This one. Now we will arrange this and make AB square plus DA square. See. AC square. AC square is here and BC square. BC square is here. So we will make it in bracket. AC square and plus BC square. Okay. Now again plus rest one. What are the rest? EC square plus CD square. This is EC square plus CD square. Okay. Now AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. If we will see this in triangle ABC, hypo. What is the hypo? Hypo equals to AB square. So AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. Right? So BC square plus AC square equal to what? Hypo square. That means AB square. Right? Now in this EC square plus CD square. If we will see in triangle this ECD. hypo is this DE. So DE square equals to EC square plus DC square, correct? So instead of EC square plus CD square, we can write ED square, correct? Or we can also do one more thing. If this is little bit tricky for you, so you can do one more thing. We can first calculate in triangle ABC. What is the hypo? Hypo equals to AB. So AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, right? And also in triangle this ECD, okay? ECD. That means we are calculating AB square and DE square equals to. So AB square is here and DE square is here, we are calculating now. So what is DE square? DE is the hypo of triangle ECD. So DE square equals to EC square plus CD square, right? So now AC square plus BC square equals to AB square. So here we can write, make it as A and make it as B. So here we can write from equation A and B, correct? And these two will go here, okay? So that then only you can write down from equation A and B, correct? So now this is done now. That means ki from here we can say ki AE square plus BD square equals to AB square plus ED square, correct? So the same thing we have to prove, right? So this is proved now. So it's up to your wish ki here also you can directly write AB square, and for this you can directly write ED square. So this is from here till here is also correct. If you are not unable to understand how you will calculate AC square plus BC square, so first take this triangle and calculate BC square plus AC square, okay? So now this question done, okay? Now we will solve question number 14. So what is question number 14? The perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC. So we have one triangle ABC and a perpendicular drawn from A on side BC, means this is perpendicular of triangle ABC, intersect BC at point D, okay? Such that, means we have given that DB equals to 3CD, means DB equals to 3 times of CD. Prove that twice of AB square equals to twice of AC square plus BC square. That we have to find out, and this things is given also. Angle D is 90 degree, or we can write angle ADB equals to 90 degree, okay? So this is the question of question 40, okay, of exercise 6.5. So first we have to calculate AB square, then we have to equate it as AC square and BC square. So where is AB square? AB square is here, okay? AC square is here, okay? And BC square is this, means this and this, and this is 90 degree, correct? That means we will use Pythagoras theorem for this triangle and this triangle, okay? So first we will calculate AB square. So AB is here, that means we will take in triangle what? ADB, right? In triangle ADB, what is the hypo? AB is the hypo. So AB square equals to what? AD square plus DB square. Right? Now what we have to calculate? AC square. So in triangle, where is AC? AC is here. So in triangle ADC, AC square equals to what? AD square plus DC square. So AD square plus DC square. Correct? Now what we have to calculate? If we will ignore this twice, so AB square minus, if this plus of AC square is right side of equal, correct? So if it will come in left side, so it will become minus, means we have to calculate AB square minus AC square, correct? If you will see this, not plus, because this is opposite side of equal. AB is here, AC is here, so we have to calculate AB square minus AC square. Got it? So AB square is AD square plus DB square minus what? This AC square, matlab AD square plus DC square. Right? Now AD square plus DB square minus again AD square minus DC square. This minus will become both minus AD square and minus DC square, right? So AD is plus AD is here, minus AD is here, so it will become cancel. So AB square minus AC square equals to DB square minus DC square, correct? So now what is DB? DB equals to 3 times CD. So instead of DB, can we write 3 CD? Yes, it's given, and then whole square minus DC square, correct? Here we can write as given. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9. So 9 of CD square minus DC or CD square. That means 8 of CD square. Right? 9 minus 1 is 8. So 8 of CD square. Now what is CD? Because we have to convert it in BC, because we already took AB square and AC square. Now for 8 of CD square, so in this CD square we have to convert in BC, right? And we also have one relation between CD and BC, because these all are in one straight line, and also one formula is given here, or one equation is given here. Okay, so let's see what is BC. How we can write BC? BC equals to CD plus DB, right? BC equals to CD plus DB. Now we have to convert CD into BC, right? So we will write CD here plus, instead of DB we can write 3 times CD, correct? Because we have to make an equation with BC and CD, right? So CD plus 3CD equals to 4CD, right? Or we can also write this 4 will go left side. Okay, so BC by 4 equals to CD, right? So now we calculated what will be the CD in respect of BC, right? So make it as 1, or here this I will just write it AB square minus AC square, the LHS of this equation. Okay, now from equation 1, okay, AB square minus AC square equals to 8 into CD square. So what is CD? CD equals to BC by 4 whole square, right? Now 8 into BC square by 4 square. So what is 4 square? Here I will write just 4 square. Okay, now 8 into BC square by 4 square is 16. Okay, so here I will cross 8 2 ja 16, means BC square by 2, right? So this 2 will go this side, so it will become twice of, or I will write it here. Let me write first here, twice of AB square minus AC square equals to what? This BC square. Right? Now we will separate twice of AB square minus twice of AC square equals to BC square, right? We can also write this because see, twice of this is bracket, whole bracket of AB square minus AC square means twice will go here also, twice this twice will go here also. So twice of AB square minus twice of AC square, right? So twice of AB square minus twice of AC square equal to BC square. That means we can also write as twice of AB square equals to, first, or this minus will go this side and will become plus. So twice of AC square, and this is this is here BC in plus. So plus BC square. Correct? So the same thing we have to prove, right? So this is done now. And if you have any doubt in this question, please write your comments in the comment section. Also, like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.